This is going to be a quick video tutorial to show you how to get the alignment crosshairs in Affinity Photo if they disappeared or you've never had them to start with. So let's begin. Let me remove this. I'm just showing you a picture of what we're doing. So if you notice, if I place a picture, and we'll just shrink it up here to make it a little bit more so you could see. Let's say you wanted to align this to the center of your canvas here. You notice as I move it around, there are no alignment crosshairs that let me figure out where that's at. If you'll go up to here where this little magnet thing is, it says snapping. You'll notice you can click it, enable snapping there, or you can just simply click the magnet and it does the same thing. And notice now when I move this around, I'm getting the crosshairs. See, there we go. So that's all there is to it. If this has helped you get your alignment crosshairs back or in the first place, then how about leaving a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe. And you have a good day.